Just waiting for the this to start. Are interested in this stuff and want to get on my private chat server, just come over to quantlabs.net/DVD. That will let's see, help. Okay, there we go. So we should be operational. Yes, we are getting there. All right, so as I said, if you want to know more about this stuff, just come on over to and get your free books and stuff in as well. If you want to know more about my chat server, quantlabs.net/DVD will get you there, plus some bonus stuff from programming, as well as crypto, Forex bots, and Python. Okay, so we got past that formality. So earlier today, I posted some bots that are returns that did quite well. Which coins are you can see right here in the these charts here, and so here's our today's position log, all paper trade, of course. Binance, this is the total ROI weighted average of the top 13. So you can clearly see here the weighted average hourly moves. It's been fairly weak. Started to go positive again, so some strength came back, went negative back at 9:30. And started really going negative again at around 11:30, and it's bounced around since then. So do here, I'll cover the coins when it went negative. Let's say here at around let's say 11:30, or actually let's say 9:30 at right here. So we'll start there. So I want to show since 9:30 today. Today is the 14th of March, and it's 20:03. So this is going to be roughly about 9 hours of trading. Typically, let's say in the markets. So this is where we're going to start here and go through these coins moving forward. Now, as I said, I'm going to put these probably, let's say, 50-minute time frame. Let's do that. So you can see here, OMG has gone down quite a bit. So let's look at CHZ is the first one we'll look at. CHZ, USDT. So this is a 15-minute chart. You can see here at 15 o'clock. That's on the 13th. So in around here, moved up and started to drift back. So some pockets here. So in around here is where I picked up those trades. SFP I've not shown before. I'm gonna keep. If you have any comments or questions, I'm keeping an eye on the chat here. So we have here SFP, SFP, USDT. So this is another one I've not seen before. We'll see how it's trading. Wow, since 4 a.m. here, 4 a.m. Wow, at 180 all the way up to 290, and it stayed fairly positive, choppy, but that's a big move. FTM is known. So what I'm trying to say with these small coins is that they are still out there as an opportunity to trade, even if the big coins go negative. So the opportunities are still there. That's the whole point of this, and it's on a Sunday as well when else is closed up. So FTM here, USDT. So again, big dip here, and here it's picked up those trades in probably in this neighborhood here. There's quite a few of them. So SFP, right? Quite a few. Then we'll look at SKL, is another one. SKL. So these are movers as well. Again, it's fairly flat, but you can see it's not done so great. Oh, can you hear me now? You guys should hear me now. So thanks for letting me know. So I'll go as far back here. Bitcoin negative, XEM trending down. We've got another one of XEM, FIO, AXS, ASX, USDT. Let's see. So you can see here it's done well at 6 a.m. from 7:45 a.m. Closed there at 5:08 all the way up to 6:30. So it's a 10-15% move. Has been flat, came back, fully recovered on the next 15-minute bar. Pretty impressive. Hopefully you can hear me. So what else do we got here? SXP, these are ones that we've already seen. Yes, ZIL. This one is a good one when everything else goes bad. Again, that's ZIL. I'm hoping you guys can see my screen. Folks, helps if you see my screen here. Okay. Hey, okay, how you doing? All right, so we have XEM here. I'm gonna check to see if got the stream running. This is a problem with this Linux crap. This Mint's no good. It really screws you up. Okay, so there's the screen. Okay, let me start on from ZIL. I was going to show you. This one's really can be really good, but let's see if how this has been performing. ZIL, USDT. Not a big winner here. Really flat actually. 16 cents, but it did move up to 17 cents. So, you know, you're not going to be making oodles of money with this one. WRX is another one. I don't think is a top winner, but again, still can be profitable before commission, of course. USDT, WRX, USDT. So that one's not looking good, but it has two little legs. So these to 52 cents, that's a 10% move. A second one here from 47 to 50 about 51, just under 10% in a matter of half an hour. Okay, so even those little flat choppy moves can give you a good 10% move. That's pretty good. Atology is another one. I'm just going through the order of my spreadsheet here from earlier today. ONT. Yeah, so it's been fairly flat. These are not big winners, but again, when you look at the close of $1.06 up to here, $1.08, you know, that's a 10-cent move. That's a 10% move. Okay, so I don't think you get a whole lot of that with even Forex unless you use crazy leverage. So it's, you know, you're not going to get the big 25 or 5-time moves, but this is just to show you the potential even on an intraday negative downward day. So we got this SOL. See how this has been doing. Okay, you can see here, close here at $14, $14.49, moved up to 10 cents roughly. And that's again 10% move. So these little 10% moves are good. Hey, Baram, how you doing? CHR has been a really big mover. So this one I do like. You can see these big moves here. They recover real fast. So CHR, USDT. This has been a big mover. So it's been trending down. You can see here earlier yesterday, you know, 15 o'clock at 55 cents all the way up to 73 cents, a 70% move in what, less than 12 hours. You can see here's another big move, 48 cents all the way up to 60 cents. So it's up just over 10%. That's pretty strong. You can see here another one. There's another lag. This happened here at 7:15 this morning, 50 cents all the way up. Well, was it 15 cents? Sorry, 50.8 cents or 51, all the way up to 58 cents. So that's another little 10% move. These are pretty strong when you catch them when they want. So here we haven't seen this in a while, but again, this one's Ave. Ave. Again, you can see his little moves. These little moves, but there's some downward pressure on this one. And here at let's see, 14.15, got a price here at 385. Moved up here to 390, again 10%. Here 382 up to 390, 10% move. We have here NER. If you got any questions, just let me know. We're going to look at NER. This one's been red hot as well. So this is during a fairly negative day. You can see here we have quite a few 10% moves. Again, here at 13 o'clock, 676. That leg up there, 687, maybe 5%. This big bar here to here, now would be over a half an hour. So that's moving from 695. Okay, let's just $7 up to that wick. You know, almost a 10% move, right? And where I'm referring to at this time, the markets are still positive, fairly strong, 0.5%. We're in around here at 16 o'clock. So we've gone through so let's look at this one, Stellar, XLM. Stellar, XLM. Again, I'm purposely using a 15-minute chart. I just want to show you these moves can be big. So this is just a more recent one for Stellar. I've talked about this 18.15, price at 39 cents, moved up to 39 cents. So not a lot, but it's very choppy here. You can see this is in play there. Let's see what else we got here. NER, REF. REF, USDT. So this one here. So again, let's say you just take it here or here as an example. At that's 345. So the close there is at 4.6 cents, moved up to 4.9 cents. So that's pretty close to a 10% move. But here's a good one. Earlier today, 1245. What's the price there? 1245. That would have been at 4.6 cents, all the way up to 5.2 cents. So that would have been just over 10% on a day when there's pressure in the market. And that's REF, REF. Now we're looking at GRT. This one's been lately, definitely not a recent top mover, but a while back it was. So here, GRT, USDT, let's look at this one. Here's a good one right here at not too long ago. So that's at 1745. So that's like just over 2 hours ago. The price here closing $1.73 all the way up to $1.74. It's a 5% move. We've looked at near ontology. We looked at chain link. See how this one's been doing. As I said, if you got questions or feedback, just let me know. I think this will be the last video of the day. But Chainlink, right here as a good example, low point of the day, actually 13 o'clock at 28.99, moved all the way up to 29. Yeah, let me just get that straight. So sorry, 28.999. So up to here at 29. 28, 5%. I'll take it. Any questions so far? No, nothing still. Appreciate you watching. Here we have Monero again. Let's look at what Monero's been doing. So some of these coins will move against both independently from the performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Monero here has done some nice moves. We got 1, 2, I don't know, 3, 4 moves. Actually, from here, this is yesterday. The price is closed yesterday, 17.15, 230, 233, up to here at 240. It looks like a 10% move. Here's a second one. This happened at 1:30 a.m. So that would have been closed there at 235, moved up here to 240. So that's a 15-20% move roughly over 4 hours. Here's another one. This one's a very sudden move. 235 all the way up to roughly 235. So it's not a big move there, but this one's the big one. You can see here 1545 at 230 there, 230.70, all the way up to 230.70 at 237. So, 1 or 2%, not much, but still. Which tool is this? This is Motorwave, the platform, XRP, and two more. So we have here Qtum. Qtum, very flat. I'm not even going to mention that. But the last one we have here is VET. Not some clear winners, but some do move 1, 2, 5, 10, 20%. Here you have 2 legs. So here I'm going to just choose this one. 13 o'clock at 6.5 cents, all the way up to here, 15.15. That's 2.25 hours to 6.6. So what's that? 1 or 2% move. This one's looking good. Again, here at 18.15, price 6.6 cents, moved all the way up to 6.8 cents. It's a 1% move. So there's lots of opportunities here. Thanks, we'll download it, no problem. So there's some clear winners there, even though the markets, again, have been fairly negative. You can see here some downward pressure on Bitcoin since around 15 o'clock yesterday. And there's been a slight decline since. Don't ask me which direction it'll go. So I guess there's no further questions. Just wanted to show this to you. Thanks for watching. And again, let me just remind you again, if you're interested in any of this stuff. Let me go over the coin market cap on the movers. So here they are. This is the latest today. Bitcoin, Binance coins number 3. Tether, so it's ahead of Tether. Cardano's been doing fairly well. This one's been a disappointment. That's Polkadot. XRP is still hanging in there, but I think it's slowly dropping. This one can be up and down, like with Uniswap. Litecoin's kind of hanging in there, and then Chainlink as well. Not the one. Bitcoin Cash is dropping. USDC. You can trade USDC on Bitcoin, but it's a stable coin, so there's no performance there. Obviously, XLM is doing okay. I think Doge is going to drop off. When you look at the 24-hour moves here, you have Tether's moved up a tiny bit. We have here USDC, again, another stable coin. Dogecoin hasn't moved, but Theta, I showed it Theta earlier. That one did really well. Luna, I've not seen at all. I don't think it's on Binance. What else has been performing? So the other one's FTT, which I've not seen as well. So everything else has been sort of negative. All right, so there's nothing else to mention here outside of, if you like this, just go to quantlabs.net to get some free trading books. If you like what you see here, this brings me back to MotoWave. Just come to quantlabs.net/DVD. In there, you get access to the private chat server, which is lifetime. And here's like an extra few bonuses, I guess, the crypto Forex trading bot sample code, as well as some overview lessons on MotoWave, the trading platform I'm using now as well. And that's pretty well it. And that's at quantlabs.net DVD/DVD. Like I said, thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day, and we shall talk to you later. Have a good day.